North Dakota Century Code 380807 states that space units need to be of uniform size unless it is necessary to prevent waste, protect relative rights, and to prevent the drilling of unnecessary wells. One of the unique North Dakota um, space unit laws that a lot of people aren't familiar with is that about in 2008, 2009, it was readily established that a 1,280 acre, two sections, was the optimal size for a Bakken system uh, wells. So the North Dakota Industrial Commission has pre-spaced uh, most of the Bakken system counties where you would drill Bakken system wells. And now it is pretty common when you go to a hearing if somebody has something other than that size, especially something smaller, they get questioned of why you want a particular size and you're not staying inside of that 1,280 acre box. On the next slide, you're going to see a map of the examples of the different size spacing units and over the history of how these 1280s came about. When the Bakken boom first started in North Dakota, 640 was the norm, and then a couple years later it was a 1280, and now they're getting a little bit bigger. 2560s, and that's to cover those areas in between the section lines, so they can drill those out. Um, the map on the following slide illustrates the various spacing sizes with explanations of how certain wells become spaced the way they are. It is worth pointing out the density of wells required to cover or drill out a unit. Projections indicate that the optimal number of wells for maximum Bakken system recovery are 18 to 36 wells per unit. An average well cost is between $9.5 and $11 million.